So in this video, I will show you how you can create end of call report or post call analysis in Retell AI. So many people struggles with it because there are some tricky parts comes in and we have to tackle them very well to create post call analysis, right? So you can see that I have created a single prompt agent in Retell AI. So the job of this agent is to ask for the user's name. You can have a whole different prompt and you can have a whole different things to capture, but for the sake of the video and for the simplicity, I have created a single prompt agent, and the whole job of this agent is ask for the user's name, right? And in the function I have added the end call function, and in the post call analysis I have add the user's name to be retrieved, right? Now if you don't know how to create custom webhook, you have to click on here. You can see an option on webhook, or you can search webhook here as well, webhook, and click on webhook. Then you have to choose custom webhook, not custom mailhook. You have to choose custom webhook, right? So after that you have to add a custom webhook. Then it will show something like this. You have to name it anything. I will say post call, right? And then you need to save it. It will give you a url, webhook url. You just have to copy it, and after you copy it, you need to go to Retell and you have to paste that url in this agent level webhook url, right? After you paste it, everything is good. Now you have to test the agent, right?
Hi there. What's your name?
Yeah, my name is Shivam, Shivam.
Nice to meet you. Sajabam Shabam. How can I assist you today?
Actually my name is Shivam, Shivam.
Got it. Nice to meet you, Shivam. How can I help you today?
Not, there is nothing you can help me. Okay, goodbye.
All right, Shabam. Take care and goodbye.
Yeah, now you can see that the AI agent cut the call because of this end call function, right? And you will see that it is successfully determined. Now you have to save it. After you save it, you have to run once now, and again you have to go to your agent and you have to test it. Let's do it again.
Hi there. What's your name?
Yeah, my name is Jones.
Nice to meet you, Jones. How can I assist you today?
Actually there is nothing you can which you can assist me with, right? So goodbye.
All right, Jones. Take care and have a great day. Goodbye.
Yeah. Now you can see again the agent cut the call, and if we go to the scenario, you will see that the webhook has been fired, right? And you can see there is an event called call started. So we need a event called call analyzed. We don't need this call started or call ended event. So if I do run it once again, and if I test this again, so I will test this again.
Hi there. What's your name?
Yeah, my name is Jones.
Nice to meet you, Jones. How can I assist you today?
So actually there is nothing you can assist me with. Okay, goodbye.
All right, Jones. Take care and have a great day. Goodbye.
Right, now you can also see that the event is again triggered, but we doesn't have the info we need, which is the name of the user, right? We have everything but doesn't have the name. So what you need to do, you have to create another module. If you want to store the post call analysis and all of that data into a certain CRM, you can choose that Airtable or whatever you use. But for the simplicity, I will just add Google Sheet here, and the Google Sheet I will just add a row. Let's see what Google Sheet I have, right? So I have created something called clinic database in my previous videos. So I will just, the sake of this module is just to show you how you can have the name from the end of call report. So you can see that we have the event call started, but we need the event called call analyzed, right? And how you can do that? So for now I will just give it on this and now save it. And you, and now you need to add a filter here. So what filter you need to add? You need to add event here in the condition, and here you need to type call slash analyzed, right? And you have to save it. Now if I save the scenario and run this once, and if I again test the agent, now you will see what happens.
Hi there. May I know your name, please?
Yeah, my name is Jones.
Nice to meet you, Jones. How can I assist you today?
Okay, so there is nothing you can assist me with. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Jones. Have a great day ahead.
So now you can see that the webhook triggered, right? And if I show you the event, again call started. But now I will just click on run once, and it will ask for me if we need to go with the new data or we should use the existing data. And you need to click on use existing data. It will again run it, but now the event has changed to call ended, but we need call analyzed, right? You have to again click on run once. You have to again click on use existing data. Now this time you will see that the event will be call analyzed, and you will have their name from the post call data. You can see the filter is pass out, right? And the error comes in because I have put something wrong here before, right? Now we will have the user's name, and where we can have it, you can see something called post call analysis or call analysis, right? You can go here. You can see the custom analysis data, which is username, which I have said before, right? You just have to map it out here, right? And you can also have the call summary, which Retell provide by default, right? And there is multiple things like the recording URL. You will have the recording URL, the transcript of the conversation, and many more things, right? Now you have to save it, and after you save it, you need to save it here as well. Now you just need, what you just need to do is you just need to click on immediately as data arrives, right? Now what it will do, this is going to trigger the scenarios as soon as the data arrives, right? I will delete the old data to show you how this works, right? I will delete it. Now I don't need to click on run once, everything is set it up right now. And if now I test the agent, you will see, if I test the agent again.
Hi there. May I know your name, please?
Yeah, my name is Jones.
Nice to meet you, Jones. How can I assist you today?
Actually there is nothing you can assist me with, so goodbye.
All right, Jones. Take care and have a great day.
Yep. Now if I see you the scenarios, you will get nothing because it will not show, it will not going to show you this pop-ups now. I will just go to the Google Sheet uh, and show you if that fills out the name, right? I will just go to the Google Sheet. And yep, this one. and now you can see that we have Jones, right? This is for the previous one and this is for now. So for your clarity, I will do it again and clear all of this out, right? So let me clear it first. Okay. Yep, I have cleared it, right? Now I will do the call once again and you will see that it will fill out this this section, right? So I will go to retail, test your agent.
Hi there. May I know your name, please?
Yeah, my name is Jones.
Nice to meet you, Jones. How can I assist you today?
Yeah, actually there is nothing you can help me with or assist. So goodbye.
Goodbye, Jones. Have a great day ahead.
Okay. Now if I go to my database, you can see that it has put the name here because when I set it up there is already some data here, right? So it put the new data here, but I think you got it how to do it, right? So this is something, this is how you can create post call data or post call analysis, right? And have all of the data of the users which you want to capture, right? So that's it for the video. If you want to see more tutorials on Retell AI, you can check out my channel. And if you are a business owner looking for some voice agents to integrate with your business, you can have a link in the description and you can book a free one-to-one AI consultation call with me. And yeah, that's completely free, there is no charges. So yeah, that's it for the video. See you in the next one.